Let's just look at this. See how that one is a little bit longer, and it doesn't have to be much longer. Now I just have to hope, and it's small too, so it should go through there. Look at that, it does go through there. And I think this hole, see, it tapers a little, but I don't know, the black may stick out a little bit. It slightly sticks out, but it's not that bad. It's not really that bad. And see, I could, am I really gonna have to do this? Find a drill bit this size, and I could take a drill bit and drill that out a little bit so that this is more flush in this. Am I gonna go that far? Well, let's first, I'm pretty sure that was wood in there. It sure sounded like it when I tapped on it, so before anything I'm gonna take this. Yeah, that's wood, all right. See, it's going in. It's going in. There must be, I think there's another 2x4 next to this other one that comes down or something, you know, to add backing for the side of that box there. Okay, so I don't know. Let's see if I got any drill bits. I wasn't, see, things I was not really planning on doing. I'm thinking about doing now. Let's just see what I have. I thought I had some little drill bits here. These are not drill bits. These are, I don't think I have anything in there. I even had a tip with the square head, so I could have used those other screws, but I'm okay. I'm okay with not using that. Thought, oh, you know what? Oh, and look at that. The drill does not have any power to it because this has not been charged up. I have this one, which is my fail-safe one in case that one's not working. I could use this one. Old school it, right? Here's some drill bits, but I have to see what else I got here. High speed drill bit set. I think that one is the same as this other one. We'll just see. This one might be slightly bigger, but it has to be as big. It has to be as big as the head of the screw, right? Let's grab the screw. Let's see here. Look at that. It's almost the same. Almost. See there? I'd have to put that in there and kind of ream it just a hair to have it almost flush if I use that. Now, let's see what else. Let's see what else we got in here. In here. Here, that one looks bigger. Let's just see. Hey, it's still just a hair small. This one here looks like it would work. Or this one, let's see. That's still questionable. I think it's going to be this one. See there? How am I going to do that? Well, I'll get my drill. I'll get my drill here set up. And I'm just gonna, I gotta be really super careful with this because I don't want to drill too much into that plastic, right? Because if I do, I could mess it up. And usually when I'm tightening something up, if I'm using this kind of drill, don't just do it on one side, then flip it around and do it over here. Flip it around and do it over here. Okay, that gets it tighter, and you'd be surprised how much better that's gonna make it. Okay, all right, so now I gotta get my extension cord out. Oh, okay. See, I've gotta get my cord out, so I'll be right back. Because I gotta do this in place, and do I even have an extension cord? You see, I used to have an extension cord, and I think somebody borrowed it once upon a time. I'll bet you my brother borrowed it and didn't bring it back. That's what I'll bet. So I'm gonna use this. This is just a trouble light, and it's got a place for the cord to plug in, okay? So, I'm just gonna keep the camera going. How about that? I'm gonna keep the camera going and plug this in. I think there's an outlet on top of the workbench over here, and I'm gonna have to plug that in here. Okay, I've got that, and now I gotta plug this in. Motha's, I told her I was out here trying to fix this, and she wanted to go to dinner. And it's not even dinner yet, but we had kind of a late breakfast, and so we're not doing a lunch per se. Okay, and because this is a powered one, I gotta be really careful when I do this, because I could eat this up, and I don't want to. I really shouldn't be doing this like this, but I don't know what else to do. You see what I mean if I do it too big, too much? Well, it's bigger. It's definitely bigger. There it goes. That's bigger. I hate to do it too much. So see, that's indented that in there more. Oh, that's nice. I think I'm gonna leave that. The head sticks out ever so slightly. I don't think I want to push it in there anymore, because the other screw head's going to stick out. You know? Oh. Okay, no more, Mr. Joe. Okay. That's going to go in there. And the other one's going to go up there. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Okay. I'll line this one up first up here. Going into my plastic anchor now. And because I kept that plastic anchor nice and tight, it's not going to spin in the wall. Can you imagine if I made that hole as big as the whole plastic anchor on the outside of the plastic anchor? It would spin right now. If it started spinning, I would never be able to suck into the anchor, because the anchor would be spinning right now. And the screw wouldn't be going into the anchor any further. Okay? And I already started the bottom one, right? Into the wood, so now I got to feel for the hole, and there it is. Right there, I believe. And I got that sucked in. The bottom, and I'm just gonna screw this in snug there. Kaboom. Fixed. There you go. All of that little bit of effort, the little bit of knowledge of knowing what to do and how to put it in there. This is nice and tight. This is never gonna be loose again. Okay, Motha is gonna be so happy with Joe. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And every time I come to Motha's house, she has something for me to do. Well, Brother Joe, you tried to thwart me by hiding my extension cord here at Motha's, but I made it work with this trouble light.